Alright, so we are in the middle of a PCS move, and I just found out that we have a little too much stuff to drive with in the car. We were actually caravanning, and we have a lot of stuff. So I picked this Nextpow. It's a soft roof cargo carrier, and I picked this brand from Walmart because it was the only one that was going to come in 2 days up here in Alaska. The stuff from Amazon would take a week. I couldn't find any reviews on it, so let's take a look at this now. Alright, this actually just came in the mail. Comes with this carrying pouch. A lock. And these actually attach to the inside of the door. We are not going to use that because we do have roof racks, so you can use this carrier with or without roof racks. So it actually comes with 6 of them. It is waterproof, and it looks like it is. This is the 15 cubic inch. It comes with this mat. It's a cheap mat. You can buy these anywhere to like protect the car, or you actually put these in drawers so then it looks nicer. So just a mat to go under the carrier and on the roof, so it protects the car, and so this doesn't slide around. Nice high vis color. It is a good size, and these are the straps that can either go to these things or onto the racks on top of the car. So I'm gonna put this on in another day and then pack it, and we'll see how well it does. All right, first you're gonna put this mat down. And that's how it sits. So let's load it up. So it has this flap here, and it has another flap where it's covered with Velcro or attached with Velcro, which then exposes the zipper. And the zipper does go all the way around, except the back, so it's a big giant flap. That's how it opens. Camelback VFM. Fishing bag. Standard military duffel. Sleeping bag, Vertex Ready Pack. Other sleeping bag. Good for now. Alright, so then it comes with these straps. These, since we have a rack, we're gonna strap them onto the rack. But if you don't have a rack, it has these which go you just take this rubber off, or a piece of it off, and this will attach to the actual top of the car, the metal part, and then you can just put the rubber back on. I don't know what you would do with these extra straps in the front and the back if you didn't have a rack. So it just has these straps. And you just cinch it tight. And so that's one corner, so you do that on all 4 corners. Alright, here it is all buckled onto the car. It's out of shape because it is not completely full. It actually has a lot of room, and this is only the 15 cubic foot, while they do have the 21 cubic foot. Let's see how well it does for, 10 days driving down from Alaska to the lower 48 through the Alcan. So right now it is raining. I'm in the second car. See how well it holds up. This is gonna give it a good test. See how waterproof it is. We are here at the Alaska-Canada border, and still looking good. Hit sun, rain, rough roads, and hasn't moved. Looks a little off because of what's in it. After 10 days of driving and about 10 days in the hotel driving around, we saw rain, dust, wind. Let's see how it held up. There is a lot of bugs on it, but the rain did clean it. Whenever it rained and we were driving, it did clean a lot of the bugs out. Alright, doesn't look like there's even a drop of water, and nothing is even a little bit wet. So overall, it looks good. Alright, looking deeper in. Completely dry, and everything looks just like when we put it in.